Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel, and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do a lovely Ghana Didi, as in Shuku Ologede achieved with wool, Brazilian wool. So guys, stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. Do not skip. First thing, you need to achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair, and after that you begin to Didi the hair, as you can see. So first thing, you section it from the side if you're to achieve Shuku, and if you're doing all back, I have the tutorial as well in my channel, but this particular one is Shuku using Brazilian wool, as in using yarn. Can you see guys? So you section it from the side. You can use either right or left, as in you can start from the both side, depend on the one that is more convenient for you. But for me, I love starting from the left. Can you see? So you section it all the way from right to left. That's how you keep braiding it. Can you see guys? So now when you are done sectioning the first side, then you secure the remaining one, and then you begin to braid the hair. Can you see guys? First thing, you start with the natural hair first before adding any extension. So guys, watch carefully and you guys will love the outcome of this hairstyle. Can you see? So I'm turning it around, as in when you start from the left, that means you're taking it all the way to the right. While you start from the left, you take it to the right, and from right to the left. Can you see guys? So that's how you keep braiding it. Just make sure you follow the section. Can you see? So you braid it from the beginning. Do not start with extension, so that it will not break the hair. So it's good to prevent your edges, so you don't need to start with extension. So I keep saying it in all my videos. So you don't start with natural, you don't start with the extension. Make sure you start with the natural hair first before adding any extension. Can you see guys? So as you're braiding it to the side. Can you see? Make sure it's not tight though, and hold it firm. Can you see? I start from my right, then I'm taking it to my left. So you just follow the, once you get the first sectioning, so the remaining one you have no problem. Just make sure you pattern it well, as in the first one, so that you'll be able to follow the shape. So when you are done braiding the hair, you just go ahead and you arrange the tips. This particular one, we want to tuck the tip inside, as in this lovely Shuku, and most Yoruba women, they love this tuck in method. Can you see guys? So you just use your needle and thread to tack it together. Can you see the way I'm tacking it? You don't tack it at once, just follow it the way you are doing it. Make sure it's neat. Then when you tack it to a stage, you stuck the remaining one inside. Can you see? You stuck it inside very well. So when you stuck it inside and you notice there's a gap inside, then you can use another extension just to fill in the space inside to make it firm. Can you see? So I noticed there's a space, that's why I'm rolling this yarn just to chook inside. Can you see? So that's how you achieve this lovely tacking. Make sure you tack it well, and if you notice any space, you just, if you are using expression yarn, whichever the extension you're using, so you use the same method. Then after that, to tack it as well to make it neat and to secure it properly. Can you see? So after the tacking, then you control the edges. This is the final look of the hair. This is Shuku Ologede Ghana Didi. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah, mwah.